multiply a plus 7 into bracket a square plus 3a plus 5. Here answer, first a into this bracket a square plus 3a plus 5 plus 7 into this bracket a square plus 3a plus 5. Now a into a square is a cube plus 3a into a 3a square plus 5 into a 5a plus 7 into a square 7a square plus 7 3s are 21a plus 7 5s are 35. Now a cube, write like terms one side, a square 3a square plus 7a square plus 5a plus 21a plus 35 as it is. A cube plus 3a square plus 7a square is 10a square plus 5a plus 21a is 26a plus 35 is answer.